I have with me today Rida Carlo with AFLAC. Rita, I really appreciate your time today. Can you tell me how long you've been with the company and your position with the company?
I've been with AFLAC for 21 years, come this June 4th.
Wow.
And I've been an agent with AFLAC, a sales agent. I was also um, a district manager, but I decided to step back to the agent role so that I could do multiple insurances.
I love
So
it.
as a district manager, you're always training and recruiting and doing things. So I needed to free up my time so I could do different insurances.
Love it. So Rita is our rep for NASDF. And I know I've seen the duck in a lot of different commercials. And as funny as I think it is, I've been in the insurance business for 16 years and I still don't know what type of products you sell. So can you give us a little breakdown on that?
The products that we sell with AFLAC are supplement insurance,
Okay.
which help out the customers with their out-of-pocket expenses.
Okay.
Some policies help out with their health insurance deductible. Others will help out with like an accident policy, a hospital policy, a cancer policy. AFLAC came about over 70 years, and they decided to bring on AFLAC as a supplement insurance company besides serving health insurance and life insurance. Usually when people hear insurance, they think life insurance and health insurance. And here's AFLAC telling you there's more to that. So AFLAC is a supplement insurance that helps out with their out-of-pocket expenses. So let's say with the hospital policy, which you seem to feel that that's a good help for your customers.
Yeah.
And that'll help out with that, the deductible. I'm sorry, I got like stuff. A lot of insurance companies now have a very high deductible. So we can frame the hospital policy to their needs, either do one that covers them for $500, another one for $1,000 or $1,500. So we're not there to pay the full doctors, the full medical bills. We're there to help out with the out-of-pocket expenses. So you'll get money towards doctor visits. If it's an individual policy, you get 3 doctor visits at $25. And the other one is for the family, individual and children, is 6 visits.
Excellent.
And they also pay for surgical procedures.
Okay. Doctor visits, things like that.
Doctor visits, the surgical procedures, and if once they get the $500 for being admitted, they get $150 a day.
Oh, nice. What would something like that cost?
Well, let's say if they did the $500 deductible that we would pay them, that's about $8.55 a week.
Okay,
so you would add
$32 a month or something.
It'll be like 33.
Got it.
More or less 33,
Okay.
34. And of course, you know, the $1,000 will be a little bit more and the $1,500 will be a little bit more.
Sure.
So we'll try to like give it, you know, like sell the one that the person sees is more fit to them and also affordable.
Now, I know that the hospital indemnity program is not typically offered to the general public, but AFLAC has worked out a special deal for our NASDF members. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Yes,
the hospital policy is not available on the individual basis, but because of your alliance, we were able to do it with the association to offer you group products at a group rate.
Excellent. So that group rates are always cheaper than individual rates.
Yes, it is.
Excellent.
Well,
so once again,
it's not available.
Once again, another reason to be a member of our association is that AFLAC will be able to offer you a cheaper rate than if you were to go to them direct, which we really appreciate.
Yes.
I love the fact that on top of selling the hospital indemnity, you also sell life insurance, dental insurance, cancer and critical illness insurance, and you also offer pet insurance. That's interesting. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
The pet insurance is with a sister company that we have, and we would have to contact them to set it up for the members if they're interested in the pet insurance.
But it's a big savings when it comes to pet bills and visits and things of that nature, right?
Right, it is. It sure is, because without having it, you get the whole bill itself, and then this will help you towards that.
Excellent. And if somebody wanted to buy life insurance for their children, or they wanted to buy dental insurance, which is always great because we know how much braces cost and and those twice a year visits, that
The
would help.
dental visit, the braces are only available for the kids,
Mhm.
not the adults. The way the dental plan works is also with the out-of-pocket expenses. Like, let's say, for example, I had a post and a crown put in, and it was, I got billed $1,200. So my dental insurance paid $600. They sent me a letter saying they're gonna pay $600. I sent AFLAC the claim. AFLAC sent me a check of $437.
Wow.
So, your savings, I mean, you would only pay like 100 and change difference to, instead of paying the whole amount.
And when we've got kids in our family and we're in the process of getting a divorce, any amount that we could get back is certainly helpful.
It is. And it's
Perfect.
very inexpensive. It's about less than $30 a month for some of the
Fantastic.
plans.
And a lot of health insurance, employer health insurance don't include dental. I know that if you go to the marketplace, dental coverage is a completely separate item, and sometimes it is considerably more than what we can get at AFLAC.
Right.
Excellent. Well, I really appreciate, this is great information, and I really appreciate your time. If you want to save money on hefty medical deductibles, go to NASDF.org, hit the join icon, and become a member. And after that, you will receive instructions on the benefits, how to access AFLAC, and get a quote. It's really that easy. Rita, I really appreciate your time today.
It's always a pleasure to see you and talk with you.
Exactly. Rita and I have known each other for a long time. She was
A
a
long
customer of
time.
mine. So I always love working with friends. I know our members will be very happy with your services. She's fantastic at what she does. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Rita. I
much.
appreciate your time.
Bye.